on a printout that he hadn't seen before. At the lab, Pasadena, they fed the numbers in of 100 possibilities. Well, this could be the one, 'cause there was gonna be a moment when the planets were aligned, a moment in their orbits when they all came to one side. To travel like a slingshot, use the gravity to steer. Another chance won't come again for full 200 years. But Carl, he knew exactly how a tale can be told, how an idea could be broken, how a story could be sold. He says, let's send a message to whoever finds it first, to tell them that we come in peace. Let's send the sounds of earth. So we made a list of all the sounds that sum up who we are, a mixtape of humanity to travel through the stars. Back at the university, gathered up his team, Linda, Frank and John and Timothy, and last of all there's Anne. Stravinsky, Bach and Mozart, 50s rock and roll, the crying of a baby and the calling of a whale, dogs and rain and laughter and the singing of the birds, diagrams and images and maps of all the earth. 'Cause they say there is a kind of spirit music in the world that plays for all eternity as round the sun it's hurled. If we could record it on a record made of gold, it could last a billion years or more. So Anne, she was so diligent and she was so keen, searched among the archives just to find the missing piece. An out-of-print recording of an ancient Chinese lute, and all her hopes depending on discovering this tune. Well, one night she called to tell him that she'd found the flowing streams. Called and found he wasn't home, so played it into his machine. Says I found the missing piece, I think I found our song. Says Carl, it's good to hear your voice, I've been waiting for so long. 'Cause I've been waiting for a moment when the planets would align, waiting for a feeling, waiting for a sign. They talked for hours until the sun came glistening o'er the sea. Now as the dawn was breaking, he says, Annie, marry me. The next morning back in New York, they connected the machines. They attached the sensors to her skin to record her EEG. Well, as soon as they had started, she knew what she should do. The sound of someone falling in love. All the time I thought of you. When the Voyagers were ready to be sent upon their way, and the golden record mounted with a needle to make it play. They launched them in September from Cape Canaveral. The furthest man-made objects, they're out there moving still. So beyond our solar system, there's a golden calling card inscribed, please don't disturb me way, let me travel to the stars. If someday someone finds it, they will hear the sound of love that could last 1,000,000,000 years. Oh, I'll sing you one more song for this.